Alright, today in this video I just want to show you how to do a very easy, simple breaded chicken sandwich recipe using all ingredients from Trader Joe's. What is it? And so just to kind of just give you a background about what you basically need is simply some olive oil from Trader Joe's, and you just put some in a pan. Most recipes recommend maybe 2 inches, but I don't like using that much oil when I'm cooking, especially since I cut the chicken really thin, and it won't take that. I won't need that much oil to get it, all fried and done. But what I'm using today is, of course, olive oil from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's free range chicken, and with just 2 chicken breasts I'm able to get looks like about 9, 10 pieces, 11 pieces here of chicken. So I kind of just slice them just down the middle, and then I'll cut them into basically quarters or halves, and so I'm able to get a nice flat piece of chicken. And what's nice about that is that it makes it very easy to put on a sandwich. And also it allows for very even cooking, which is really nice. So I like having the pieces fairly flat. So the next step will be to cover our chicken in our breadcrumbs, crumb mixture. Now what we're going to do is actually cover our bread in this flour, egg, and Panko Bread Crumb mixture. And again, these ingredients I got from Trader Joe's. I got the all-purpose flour from Trader Joe's, their large organic free-range eggs, and the Japanese-style Panko Bread Crumbs. You could always use the regular breadcrumbs, but I think these are kind of fun. And one thing you want to do too before you get the mixture going, it will be good to add your salt, pepper, and other spices if you want into the breadcrumb mixture, so that way the outside of the chicken gets the flavor. Alright, so here it goes. Take a piece of chicken, lightly cover it in the flour. Okay, make sure 100% of it is covered. Okay, once you got there, cover it in the egg yolk. Okay. Alright. Actually, one thing I forgot to do is that I forgot to mix up the bread mixture. I've added salt and pepper to it, but I didn't evenly mix it in there. So I did that a little bit. That should be fine. I'm gonna cover this in the breadcrumbs, and into the oil it goes. And you can just put it in there for maybe, I think, because the chicken is actually fairly thin, probably 4 minutes for each side should be pretty good, or even less than that. Do another one of these, then I'll show you the end result in a second. These have been cooking for about maybe 4 minutes or so, and I'm just gonna flip them over. Nice golden brown color to them. That's gonna be a really good tasting chicken sandwich. What I like about using the Panko Bread Crumbs is it's almost like having a tempura shrimp for a chicken sandwich. These are ready, so we just take them out. Put them aside, cool off. These are a little crispier than I would normally like it, but it's still going to be fairly good. I left them in just a little bit too long, but that's okay. So put the rest in, and then, oh, what I forgot to mention, you want to use Brioche Buns from Trader Joe's. You're trying to make your chicken sandwich. And then you probably want to have them lightly toasted too. These are just cooking just wonderful. I'm about to flip them over in a second. What they kind of look like. Nice and crispy on the outside. It should be nice and juicy on the inside. And I'm heating up my cast iron so I could warm up my buns on. I just want to show you what the end result. Just want to show you how the end result kind of looks like. Nice, very crispy on the outside. Looks like I missed a little section here, but that's okay. It's still going to be delicious. Okay. Nice and crispy on the outside. That's what you want to hear. So I'm going to cut it real quick. See the cross section, and just nice and juicy. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look like. That's how it's supposed to taste. Look how pretty this looks. Nice and golden brown. Cut up some tomatoes to put in my sandwich. Now, it's time, now that the cast iron's nice and hot, start alright my buns. It's a hot cast iron, so I won't need that long. That much time on it. Just get nice and warm. There you go. Just put them on for maybe like a minute. You don't need that much time on it. You don't want to burn your buns. Can't wait. Alright, so I got the nice toasted buns. Kind of burned a little bit on the outside, but that's okay. That's fine. Kind of like the charring. So these. Take maybe one or two of them. Put them in your sandwich. Amazing. Tomato. And just add your favorite condiments on it, and then you got a nice, juicy chicken sandwich.